Hello and welcome to the Fabrico.Design channel. We develop professional sewing patterns and make them available to every woman. Using our patterns and video instructions, you can easily sew any garment at home and feel like a designer. And today we're going to sew a shopper bag named Mocco. The shopper bag features a voluminous bottom and straps with a bow tie. As usual, you can find the PDF pattern of the shopper bag in the description box below the video. Natural fabrics are perfect for sewing this bag: linen, cotton, denim, Ghani fabric. To sew this bag, you only need the main fabric. Let's get cutting. It's highly important to decade the fabric before cutting to prevent it from shrinking during sewing. We lay out the patterns on the fabric, observing direction of the grain line. It is indicated on the patterns, and trace the patterns along the contour. Do not forget to transfer all control marks onto the cutting pieces. So, cut the pieces. After cutting, double-check the number of pieces according to the pattern pieces list. And do not forget to interface the pieces as indicated on the patterns. Let's get sewing, and we start with the straps. Sew the straps along one long side and one short side, placing the piece with the right side inside. Cut out the corners, turn them inside out and press them. And the next step is assembling the bag. Mark the lower corners according to the patterns on the back pieces. Sew the side and bottom seams, placing the pieces with the right side inside. Sew seam allowances and press. Fold the corners along the markings, stitch and secure into the bottom seam. Press the top seam allowance along the notches according to the patterns. Attach the straps to the side seams along the notches, placing the parts right sides together. Top stitch along the edge of the seam allowance. Secure the straps along the top edge of the shopper. Give a shopper bag a final press. Thanks for sewing with us. Subscribe to our channel and publish your photos in different social medias and tag us. You can find the link to our website in the description box below the video.